I'm going to show you how to make my version of rice with seafood and chorizo with few ingredients and lots of flavors. It's an easy recipe to make in a regular pan, serving 6 people. In a pot, put 2 pounds of mussels. Cook them over medium heat with a lid for 5 minutes. Stir them twice. Once they are open, turn off the heat and keep aside. Prepare the broth using shrimp shells. I have 1 pound of cooked shrimp. Save a few for decoration and peel the rest. Crush the shells to release all their flavors. Put them in a pot. Add 4 cups of water and half teaspoon of salt. Mix. Heat over medium-low heat for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, filter the mussel juice. Keep some with their shells for decoration and peel the rest. When the broth starts to boil, turn to low heat, briefly stir, then continue cooking with the lid slightly ajar to prevent overflow. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat. Cut 2 carrots into small cubes. 1 bell pepper into chunks. 10 ounces of tomatoes and 2 onions. Mince 5 cloves of garlic. Chop a little parsley. Cut 4 ounces of chorizo into cubes. To cook the rice, we need 4 cups of liquid. Use all the mussel juice and top it up with the shrimp broth. Also prepare 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, and optionally half teaspoon of yellow coloring. Here, I take one that comes from Spain, often used in paella. Take 1 pound of chow-grain rice. This rice absorbs a lot of liquid and stays firm. It concentrates the flavors of the broth and ingredients. Everything is ready. In a 12-inch diameter pan, heat it over medium heat. Add the olive oil. When the oil is hot, sear the decorative shrimp for 1 minute. Flip them over and let them cook for another minute. Keep them aside. The oil is now flavored. Add the chorizo pieces. Stir for 20 seconds. Add the onion and garlic. Occasionally stir for 2 minutes. Add the carrots, the bell pepper, the parsley, and 2 bay leaves, which I crushed to release their flavor. Occasionally stir for 3 minutes. Add the tomatoes. Occasionally stir for 3 minutes. Add the rice, the paprika powder, the yellow coloring. Briefly stir to coat the rice grains. Add the peeled shrimp and mussels and the broth. Gently stir to evenly distribute the rice and other ingredients. Now we cook without stirring. At this stage, you can taste the broth to adjust the salt if necessary. With 20 minutes of cooking, the rice will be al dente. For a slightly softer rice, cook for 23 minutes. Since the pan is large, the heat is stronger in this part, so rotate it a quarter turn every 2 minutes for even cooking. 5 minutes before the end of cooking, place the decorative mussels and shrimp on the top of the rice. After 23 minutes, remove the pan from the heat and cover it for 10 minutes. The rice continues to cook and absorb all the juices. It will be well cooked without being too soft. Bon appétit! This seafood and chorizo rice dish is very flavorful. The rice is slightly crispy at the bottom of the pan, known as socarrat in Spain, which adds a variety of textures and flavors. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.